3, boom. Yo. Hello.
Hey, get that camera out of my face.
I need to pee. If I lose a 1, lose a 2, lose a 3. Look at that view, look at that view, look at that view.
Good morning guys, day 2.
We just came back from the gym and they're pumping fucking hard though at today in the morning.
So we got toast, pancakes, protein pancakes, eggs, strawberry.
And a whole bunch of chicken. Wait, did it?
Rainy jacket.
It's nice.
Do you guys mind if I get banana bread for me? Or a Avina wash? Yo, we're going up.
Where are we going?
Vroom vroom. That's all I have to say.
Did you finish it? We have arrived. What are we doing, Bunsen?
We're gonna go play with the sand.
He's
build a
gonna
sand
build
castle.
sandcastles.
Yeah. I'm gonna bury myself
Yeah,
in the
he's
sand
gonna
like Joey
bury
style.
himself to death.
You're gonna have my protein bar and call it a day.
And I'm just gonna look cute.
Thanks.
So I quad biking today.
That was so fun. We just came from there. That's crazy. We just did like a full circle. It feels like you're going ages away. It feels like you're kind of going outside of Newcastle, like another place, and you come back. But then when you actually realize it's just another side of Newcastle. On the bridge, it looks like you're going to heaven. Also, guys, sorry we have to get a new camera girl. Ada stacked the bike. She hit the brakes on the quad bikes, broke her neck. So yeah. What's her name? Amy. Yeah. Thanks, Amy. Going to a Japanese restaurant. Apparently this place is really nice.
So the Japanese place was kind of a letdown.
It was shit. How do you say shit in Japanese? It was
Shite.
It was shiitake mushroom.
Hey, check out the moon.
So there was a car that was just driving around like crazy, and then they stopped right there by the crossing, and they offered us cake.
Not us, you.
Girl's voice, and I was just like, a girl. Ran up, and then I touched her hand, instantly fell in love. Yeah, my future wife is in Newcastle now.
Where are we going?
We ordered some cafe, Mockingbird Cafe. It was 5 minutes to find parking, and then we were walking back.
But I found a cute pink church.
Yeah, and we want to go to church, but Ada's an atheist.
Agnostic.
Egotistic. So cold. Sitting next to the exit.
I could eat again.
Robbed. This girl stole my drink.
He didn't want it, but I'm getting him another one.
No, you're not. She will say that. Watch. In this vlog, you will not see her get me a drink.
I
You guys will know.
I'm
If you
literally
don't
trying
see
to look for a cafe right now.
No, we're not. We're just walking around the streets. So that's... Yay! Bye, Newcastle.
Welcome back to Ada's channel. Ada channel herself. Hi.
Yeah? That was a fail.
Like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll leave a comment where should we travel next.
Yeah.